All right, so it says find the mean of 8, 32, 60, and 4. As we discussed, we add up all the numbers and then we divide by how many numbers we added. So we have one number here, 2, 3, 4. So we divide by 4. 8 plus 32, 40. 40 plus 60, 100. 100 plus 4, 104. Let's do, we never miss a chance to do long division. Practice as many times as you can, all right? 4 into 1 we can't. 4 into 10 goes 2 times. And of course, 4 times 2, 8. So we subtract, get 2, carry down the 4, so that becomes 24. How many groups of 4, or how many times we add 4 to itself? See that, guys? This is multiples, you know? How many times we add 4 in order to get 24? 6 times. 4 6s 24. And there we have it. Our answer is 26. So the mean or average is equal to 26. Let's look at another aspect of it. Hold on. All right, so we have the median is the middle number after arranging in either ascending or descending order. What do we mean by ascending? Ascending order is from the smallest to the largest. So what we're going to do, guys, we're literally going to look at them and see which number is the smallest. Here we can see that 9 will be the smallest, so we'll put 9 first. Always put a comma to separate them. Next, we have 16. We'll put 16 next. Remember, it's from the smallest to the largest. And of course, we have 18. After 18, 23. After 23, we have what? 34. So 34 comes before 45. It's almost like we're counting, right? But we skip other numbers. And of course, the final one would have been 67. Why me feel like me left out a number? So guys, let me check them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how I expect my students to do. Count the numbers to see if you left off one by mistake. So here we have 9, 16, 18, 23, 34, 45, and 67. That's in ascending order. Let us do the same numbers, but this time in descending order. So descending order would be the largest number first. So 67 would come first, then 45, then 34. I'm going to ask someone in the audience to say which number they think would come next. Aiden, which number come next after 34?
Sir, the number that comes next after 34 would be 45, sir.
45? All right. I see Jaim put up the hand same time. Let me hear what Jaim have to say. Oh, I'm not seeing Daniel first. Daniel, you're late, man. All right, go ahead, Jaim.
Sir, it should be 18.
18?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much. Well, more answer go. Let me see. Let me see who. Amari, which number would come after 34?
23.
23. All right. Let's write them down, you know, guys. Let's write them down. Thanks so much. Let me see who for an Alexis. Go ahead, Alexis. Which number would come after 34?
After 34, sir, I think it's 18.
18. All right, let me write 8. Two persons said 18. Then, all right. Remember now, after 34, guys. After 34, that was the question. Don't forget the question. Don't forget the question. Shaquille.
23, sir.
23. So Shaquille says 23 as well. Thanks, Shaquille. Alright, I'm gonna get in one more, guys. This is very interesting. Gabriel. No, I think it says Gabriella. Go ahead, Gabriella.
Sir, I think it will be, sir, after 45,
No,
23, sir.
34. After 34.
Oh, 23, sir.
23. Well, so hold on there. Some person present and then them are gonna text me and say, oh, I didn't see it. Go ahead, Brian.
Sir, there's something wrong because after 34, why would you have 45 if you already have 45 after the 67? So the next number would be 23,
Alright,
not 45
so Brian said
because
23 as well.
no answer it cannot be 18 either because that's less than it. And it says from descending order, sir, which is from largest to the smallest. And 23 is bigger than 18.
Okay. January. Thanks, Brian. Which number will come after 34?
After 34 would be 23.
Alright, another 23. Dijani, which number would come after 34? Descending order. I try to get as many persons as possible.
Sir, after 34, right?
Yes, after 34.
I would say 23.
Yeah, it is 23, guys. And that is why I say, you see, that is why students make errors in exam. Now, the first person said 45. You would be going up, as Brian says. 45 is larger, so that means 45 already comes before 34. So how we gonna come after it? Alright, so let's get out this 45. That don't make any sense right there. 18. 18 is kind of legit, because if it's not 23, then it would have been 18 to be honest. But we don't read so far. So let's take out the 18. And of course, you guys said 23. Only 3 persons says 23 out of 6 persons, guys. We have to do better. Alright, so after 23, then we have 18. And then I'm gonna ask which number come next. I'm gonna give persons a chance to redeem themselves. Persons text me and say, sir, oh, I didn't see that number. Guys, we have to look. It's our responsibility to spend time and look. We cannot say we never see it. It's given right there. Go ahead, Nicardo. Which number comes after the 18? Nicardo? Not hearing from Nicardo, though. Alright, let's move on to someone else. Ajani. Which number comes after 18? Descending order.
So the number that comes next is 9.
9. Alright. Thank you so much. Let's get another person in. Zanaya. Go ahead, Zanaya. Which number comes after 18?
Sir, I would say 16.
Okay. Alright. So Zanaya says 16. Somebody else said 9. Who I didn't call on? Well, I called on everyone here already. That's so cool. Alright. So I agree with Zanaya. It would have been 16. How did we get to, guys, how did we get past that one, right? After 18, it has to be 16. Huh? All right, make a note of it, guys. Make a note of it, please. No, no, man, wrong number. This is not Mikey. This is Mr. Ben. Right, let's use the ascending one, guys, to find the median. Remember the rule say arrange in ascending or descending order and then find the one in the middle. All right, so we go one to the left, well, one to the right, one to the left, one to the right, one to the left, one to the right, one to the left. So here we go, 23 is in the middle. So when we arrange it in ascending order, the median is 23. Let's see if it's 23 when with the ascending. One upon this, one that way, one that way, one that way, one that way, one that way. Still 23. So it really does not matter which you arrange it in. It's come down to preference. If you prefer ascending, you do it in ascending. If you prefer ascending, you do it in ascending. I personally prefer ascending, but everyone have them choice. So it does not matter, all right? Let's look at another example. Make a note of it, guys. All right, let's look at this example. It says, find the median of the following numbers, and the numbers are 19, 12, 65, 56, 78, 45, and 32. Again, sir, prefer ascending, so let me do ascending order. Notice I did not go and look which one in the middle. I'm arranging it first. All right. That's very good. In ascending order. All right. So the first number would have been 12, since 12 is the smallest in value. So 12. Next, we have what? 19. Then 32. 45. 56. 65 and 78. So arrange it from the smallest to the largest, and then I'm gonna do the little magic thing where we say one this side, 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 one this side. So the median is equal to 45. Make a note of it, please. You may begin.
Sir, first I put the numbers in ascending order, sir.
Okay.
So I do 8,
Well, sir, go on right. Yeah, yeah.
12, 20, no, sir, 42,
42,
54, 59, 60, and 68. Sir, the number that falls in the middle is 54.
Oh, you know.
Sir, because if you want to find out what is in the middle, you sir, first I count 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side, and I see which one falls in the middle.
Okay. What would you say if somebody put 45? Would 45 be the same as 54?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. So guys, please ensure the order is in the correct order. Don't write 45 and don't write 54 and turn it into 45. All right, thanks so much, Dejane. Good job, guys. Let's do one more quickly. If you didn't get that answer correct, guys, just please make any adjustment necessary, and then we're gonna move on to another one. All right, we have enough time. Have fun with that one here again, guys. All right, so you say, what is the median of the following numbers? 54, 31, 65, 56, 13, 26, 29. Have fun.
So, sir, it says, what is the median of the following numbers? So the numbers are 54, 31, 65, 56, 13, 26, and 29. So, sir, first thing that we're going to do is put it in ascending order. So we first start off with 13, then 26, then 29, then 31, after, and then next you would have 54, 56, and then lastly you would have 65. So, sir, it asks you for the median, which is in the middle. So, sir, the first thing you're going to do is start with the first one, underline it, and then the next one at the end, for the start at the end, and then the second one for both end and the first, and then the third one for them, and then, sir, the one that cannot be shared between the three groups because there are 7 numbers there, so the number would be 31.
Yeah, I agree.
Because the 3 plus 3 is a 6 and it's an even number, while 7 is an odd number, so
Yeah,
it only has one that is not able to be in the middle for median. But if it was a number that was even, would have to make sure that we put the two numbers and then divide it by 2.
Alright. Because what happened, Brian, I want to share this with you. Someone gave me 30 as the answer. And I was saying, probably the child just overlooked 31. But what they did was to add these two and divide by 2, not realizing that it's an odd number and 1 will definitely be in the middle. So you guys, you have to look at it carefully. As I said, count the numbers. I've shown you that.
Sir, what I would say is, sir, why would you add the 3 to the 29? When you add 3 to the 29, you get 32, which wouldn't be the correct one. Plus, there's 7 numbers, and you gave us specifically 7 numbers and the numbers too. So we were supposed to either do it in ascending or descending. So it could not be 32 because 32 was not there. It wouldn't be an option because 32 is not in that area.
Yeah, I agree. It wouldn't be that. All right, thank you so much. So for the new person, this is how we do it. We arrange a number in ascending or descending order first. Ascending is from the smallest to the largest, while descending is from the largest to the smallest. So we have to do that first. Please, that's a very common error. Students just go ahead, look which one in the middle, and say that's the median. No, we have to arrange it in ascending or descending order. See you next one here, guys, to have fun. I'm going to show you guys something after this. Brian make mention of it. Will this one trick someone? It's a lot of numbers, guys. Because I think you guys are pro level now. So I gave you 9 numbers. Because I think you guys are doing well. Couple little errors though, but overall, very good. Well done, Gabriel. Venice as well. Well done, Tara. Well done, Aiden. Well done, Tevante. Let's go, guys. I've gotten from 5 persons so far. Let's see if everyone can complete it. So we can learn the new one when we have even numbers. Brian did mention it already. We're gonna look at it in more detail. I want everybody to lock down this topic now, guys. Everybody's supposed to lock down this topic. So we are lock them down 1-1. What you guys say? Ready for lock them down 1-1? Let me know. See what's happening now. Well done, Dijani. Sienna, write median equal next time, please. Alright? Identify correct. Guys, you have to identify your answer. Don't just leave it like that. Well done, Nisha. Well done, Alexis. Well done, Nishai Brown. Well done, Ariana. You're welcome. I'm not sure if Mrs. Miller's son or daughter name, but good job. I don't think I got the name. Well done, Amarly. Well done, Brian. If you can just text me a name so I probably can save it with your mommy. Oh, Leona. Hi, Leona. All right. Well done, Leona. It's Leona. Good job. Welcome to the class. Who will be the presenter for us? Well done, Orlando. Well done, Tayshawn. All right. I'll text first. The one that will need to be checked is an error on it. So guys, after you arrange it in ascending, then you find the one in the middle. So if you choose to do it in ascending order, then the one in the middle. And guys, you know someone in go to school and can do that? Like students, make students line up, and then you blindfold the next person and make them guess who is in the middle. That's the median, you know. If you have 7 children and you put them on top of the board and see which one is in the middle, that's the median. And make somebody guess who they think is in the middle. Or if you want to use 3 students, or 5, or 7, or 9. If your class big in 11, but no cheating. If person get it, but I swap, you know, I'm no students, then because of well done, Janera. Well done, Leona. Oh, it takes 2 places, Leona. All right, we're gonna proceed now. Let me just mark these and then we can proceed. The answers come in a little bit slow, but I prefer it come slow and we get it correct. So good job, guys. Well done, Shakir. I'll go to the presenter right now and then we can begin. Yeah, Shanta, bro. Chantal, I said this first. Oh, Lord. I swear that was point 0.5, you know. Guys, that's why you have to write properly. I swear it was point 0.5. It's when I send me the second time. Guys, if you hear my voice low, turn up your device. No, loud, you know. So, all right, let's get to the presenter right now. Jaim, you're the one after Brian.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was also asking if the 217 was on purpose or is it true?
Definitely on purpose. Because I know a lot of people will only write one of the 17s. So to make that point, I make sure I give you an example. It's deliberate. I did it with the
Yes,
other
sir.
group as well, yeah.
Sir, oh, I got my answer, sir. I did it in ascending order, and ascending order is from the smallest to the largest. So, sir, I got 2, next 11, next 15, next 17, next 18, um, sir, you write the 217, sir.
Yeah, because I only said 170. That is it.
So, sir, next 18, sir, 32, 33, and 65, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, so you underline the 65, go to the other corner, underline the 2, next the 33, next the 11, next the 32, next the 15, and the 18, and the 7. Sir, and The median is 70.
Yeah, good job. Guys, I deliberately put 217 and some persons fall for it. If it's 317, you still have to put the 1717. Alright? Very good. So you don't just put one. Alright, correct. So sir, time to show you something now. Brian spoke about it and he said that if it's an even number, we should have known even numbers, especially if you did summer school with me. We look at what are even numbers, odd numbers, composite number, prime numbers, natural number, whole number. Everybody must know about them number then, guys. Alright? Alright, so even number, what do we do when it's an even number? Because we're not gonna get one distinct one in the middle, as Brian was saying. So let us look at that. Let me see if that's something here. You never know when you need it. Let me show you an example. But wait, write the notes first. I didn't give you any notes, guys. That's where I'm going with. That's all we do. But we still have to arrange it in ascending order. Let me write that first. So we're still arranging ascending or descending order. Then we find the mean of the two middle numbers. We're gonna come to that in a short while. Here's our example one. Right, write it first, guys, and then we can proceed. All right, guys, we should complete that now. All right, let's go. So the question says, find the median of the following set of numbers. We have 12, 14, 8, 28, 15, and 19. Let me check if I 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's 6 numbers, so it's an even numbers. And the rule says we arrange in ascending or descending order first. So let's go. 8 would be the smallest one. I'm going to with ascending again. Then we have 12. Next we have 14, 15, 19, and 28. Let's check if it's 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now remember what the rule says. The 2 in the middle. Let's see which 2 is in the middle. So we take 1 from this side, 1 from this side, 1 from this side, 1 from this side. So here, we're not going to get 1 in the middle. So we have these 2 in the middle. How do we find the mean? Let me click on you guys now. How do we find the mean? And that's what it says. Find the mean of the 2 middle term. Go ahead, Ariana.
Sir, you add the 14 and the 15 together.
All right, that's it.
No, sir. When you add the 14 and 15, you get 29, and then you divide it by 2.
Okay, let's see if Amari agree with you. Do you agree, Amari?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody disagree? She said add the 14 and the 15 and then divide by 2. All right. So you guys agree. So let me see. I'm going to ask a question. Why she divide by 2? Arlando, you want to answer that? Why you think she said by 2? Why not by 3 or why not by 6? Arlando, you want to take on that challenge? Why you think she said divide by 2?
Sir, because there are only two numbers.
Okay, agree. Very good. All right. I hope you know what I say, sir. Like ask be a question, you know. Yeah, guys, that's what we do, right? It's for you to get the full understanding. All right. So we find the mean, but it's only 2 numbers, just like what Orlando says. It's only 2 numbers. So when you add them, we divide by 2, and it's always gonna be 2 numbers. And of course, 2 into 29 goes 14 times and a half, or if you want to put decimal, 14.5. Few persons might think it's 14.1, but guess what? How do we convert a half to a decimal? We simply divide the numerator by the denominator. 2 into 1 you can't, so you put your 0, then you say 2 into 10. So it's actually 0.5. And that's how we convert. That's on our syllabus. How do we convert from fraction to decimal? All right, I did a video on TikTok with this guys, and 2 million people watch it. You know, so it might look so simple, but it's a relevant thing. All right, even prime factorization too. 1.8 million people watch it. All right, let's go. Make note of it, and then we're gonna do one on our own. We know the style already. We know the style.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not ready, man. All right, we'll try it one more time, guys. I don't know what's happening. What's happening? Go ahead, Talia. All right. I have to pick somebody else. All right, not getting Kalia.
So,
Oh,
sir,
okay, go ahead.
this is what I did, sir. So, I write down 13, 17, 23, and then I write down 40. And then I look what is common for the both of them. And when I look, it's 17 and 23 is common. So I add 17 plus 23 equals 40. So there's two number add up, so I divide it by 2. That gives me 20.
All right. So guys, very good. You arrange it in ascending. You arrange in ascending order. And of course, there's two middle numbers, so we add them and divide by 2. We cannot divide by 4 because it's only two number. Orlando said that in his last presentation. You see, sir, remember that? So everyone should remember that as well. I remember when Orlando said it's two numbers, so you divide by 2. So not by 4. All right, even though it's 4 numbers in total here, but remember, only these two we're focusing on to give us the median. Because both of them are in the middle, so we share it equally. One is 17, one is 23. So we share it. Alright. We have time for one more, guys. We have approximately 17 minutes.
Putting the number order. So first it's 49, then 59, then 69, then 72, then 79, then 89. So first I found out the ones that are in the middle, which is 39 and 72, sir. Then I add both numbers. 69 plus 72. 9 plus 2 is 11. 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 1, 14. Sir, since it's two numbers, I divide 41 by 2. 4 into 1 can't, so I put on the 0. 2 into 1 can't, so I put the 0, carry on. From the 0, put the 0 under the 1, which I got 1. Then I bring down the 4. 2 into 14 goes 7 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Then I subtract. Then I bring down the 1. And 2 into 1 can't, so I put down the 0. So I said, then I subtract the 0 from the 1 from the 0, which I got 1. So there will be a remainder of 1.
Mm-hmm.
So
Suppose you want to convert it to decimal, what would it be?
if I can,
If you want to convert
sir,
it to
give
a
me a
decimal.
minute, sir.
Mm-hmm. Anybody else wanna try in the meantime? What would be that as a decimal? DJ, you mind if somebody help you?
What you say, sir?
You mind if someone help you? Brian want to help you. You mind?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me hear what Brian have to say. Go ahead, Brian.
Okay, sir. So, sir, he's what he did for the explanation is correct. But, sir, when he divided the 2 by the 141, he would have 70 out of 141, but you would have to have a decimal, which would be 70.5, sir. The reason being, sir, is because 2 into 1 you can't, 2 into 14 you can, which is 7, no? And then 2 into 1 you can't, then you carry it over to a decimal and you get 5 because when you do the long division way, sir, it's going to be turned into a decimal because so if you divide 10 by 2, you would get to 5. So the answer would be 70.5 as our answer, sir.
All right. Good. But this is also correct, you know. So both of you are
Yes, sir,
correct. Yeah, yeah.
because sir, 70.5 is the same thing as 70.5 because 70.5 is a half. The 0.5 is a half out of the whole
Yeah.
number.
Yeah, it's a half. Very good. All right. Good job, guys. Good job. So we're gonna continue Sunday. So take care till then, all right? Great job.
Bye,
Today was
sir.
good. Bye.
Yes,
Take
sir.
care. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
sir.
Enjoy the rest of the week, all right? And I'll see you
Bye,
guys
sir.
Sunday. Bye. Take care.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Continue. Welcome to the new persons. I hope you wasn't too
Bye, sir.
lost. Bye.
Huh?
Take care. So, guys, next week we're gonna look at the mode and the range. All right. So you guys can do the research on that. Usually, those are two of the easiest ones. Students enjoy those. All right.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. See you on Sunday. All
Can you
right.
please repeat the moon and the what?
The mode, not the moon, the mode, MODE, and the range. And that complete the syllabus for that part of it. And then we're gonna look at sets, Venn diagram, and all of those things. It's gonna be great, guys.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All
Bye.
right, no problem. Take care. Bye. Take care. And remember, I'll post the video so who want rewatch at any point you can. All right.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. See you soon. All right.
Sir,
Hmm?
are we going to learn about this stuff on Friday?
We have class Friday.
Yes. Excuse me. Good evening.
Hi. Good evening.
Yes, based on what you had told me, you said Sunday classes would have been full, so I signed him up for Tuesday and Friday.
The Friday evening, 5 o'clock.
Right. Yes.
Oh yeah, man. But we're not gonna do this. We're gonna do a mental ability paper.
Oh,
So
okay.
we'll do this on Tuesday again.
Okay then.
Yeah, yeah. So next week we'll do this. All right.
Okay, sir.
All right. Take care. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Welcome.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Marley. Take care.